In today's tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to do the aerial semi and how to front swing raise out of that properly. The aerial semi in itself was a quite hard trick for me to learn, and I had a fair share of struggles with it. Still, I think that was a key factor for me to really understand the technique behind it, and now I can really teach it well. So without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial and let's get you a aerial semi front swing raise. So this is the difference between the aerial and the aerial semi. Next, I'm gonna show you a little progress that you can use and explain all the phases of it. So that is the first phase where you are doing an aerial, just a regular aerial, but trying to face your chest to this direction in the end. But the problem with this one is that it's not teaching how we are going to turn our hips to this position. And for this purpose, it really helped me a lot to think about doing a Webster from an aerial setup. And this is what I mean by it. The aerial takeoff. The Webster takeoff. There's a small difference, but it's very significant in your brain when you are trying to learn how to rotate the hips properly. So that alone will help you a ton with drilling this trick. Like, don't think of an aerial in the beginning, think of a Webster. Because of the aerial setup, it won't turn into a Webster. It will just be a nice aerial semi, kind of. Still a little bit more to the Webster side, but still aerial semi. And then when you just get used to it by doing it over and over again, you can start doing it from the regular aerial takeoff. For the aerial front swing raise, the most important thing is to land in a position like this. Or actually, you don't land in a position like that, but you are keeping your leg high up and swinging already a little bit before you are landing. So even before you land, try to already spot the ground in front of you and then swing hard simultaneously with your right arm and left leg.